first time I came to Lanta was 2000, I think. It was really, really sad. The animals were really struggling. There wasn't enough food to find. It was quite disturbing, and I felt that I need to do something about it. Throughout the years, I've seen quite a few ugly things. It can be either accidents that have happened, or it can be actually animal abuse. A lot of poisoning have been done, slashing. I think the worst things that I find is pouring boiling oil on the animal. It's quite horrific. They will not survive if they don't get treated. Lanta Animal Welfare needs help. One of the first ways is to adopt one of the animals that we have at the center. It's much more easy than people think, and less cost as well. We arrange everything. At all times we have 15, 20 volunteers, age from 20 to 65. I get the question quite often from people, how can they help? I would say that if you have a passion and you want to help, just do it. Don't think that it's not going to matter, it's helping just a little bit, everything helps.